This is Far Out Facts with the next video. This video we will be going over what it would take to boil the ocean. The first piece of information we would need to know is how much water there is in the ocean. And there is 1,338,000,000 cubic kilometers of water in the ocean, which is a lot of water. And there is this very small number of cubic kilometers of water in a gram. And this is how many grams of water there are in the ocean, which this is a humongous number, which is a lot of water to heat up. And this is how much we'll have to heat up the water to boil the ocean. The current ocean temperature is 17 degrees on average for everywhere in the world, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So 73 degrees Celsius is how much we would have to raise the temperature of the water. And the specific heat of the water is 4.184, which is pretty much saying how many joules of energy it takes to heat up 1 gram of water 1 degree Celsius, which water has an abnormally high specific heat, which is great for insulation, but it takes a lot of energy to heat it up. And this would be the amount of joules required to boil the ocean, which is a very large number, but you'll see in a second how small it is compared to some of the other numbers. So this is the joule output of all of the coal on the earth, and as you see, it is about 10,000 times smaller than the amount of energy it would take to boil the ocean. And here's the joule output of all the oil on the earth, which is even less than the coal. And finally, we have the natural gas, which is even less than the oil. So that would be the total joule output of all the fossil fuels, which is not enough to boil the ocean. But there's more. This is the amount of joules produced by all the uranium on the earth. And that is a very large number, and if you noticed, it is a lot larger than the other number that would be how much it takes to boil the ocean. So, you could boil the ocean 7,243 times with all of the energy produced by uranium and all the fossil fuels. So thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to Far Out Facts.